Max, you got a birthday coming up. What kind of party are you going to have?
Big party.
So
Max,
What?
say, oh, truck.
Oh, flip.
So you going to have any trucks at your party? What kind?
And maybe a four-wheeler.
You want a four-wheeler truck? Or you want a dump truck? Can you say
Flip.
a what?
Dump truck. Dump flip. Daddy wants a dump truck.
Dump truck?
I think I want to be flip.
You want a big truck?
That's it.
How about what is that?
Be flip.
You want a big dump truck?
Uh-huh.
Can you say big dump truck?
Big different.
Yeah.
Max, say, mother trucker.
Manufacturer. I had that in my daddy. Let's do
You say mother trucker?
manufacturer.
Mother trucker?
I had that in my
Can you say mother trucker?
manufacturer. I had that in my. I had that in my.
I don't know.
Have
Can you
that-
say mother trucker?
Teamwork, please.